Kelly, I wonder, for our viewers who are maybe not well versed in this particular universe of trading, talk about the market, transparency, efficiency, costs, and where growth is headed.
Yeah, well, it's a huge market. There's 800 global unicorns. And we believe the world needs access. The world needs technology to trade more efficiently. And the world needs data on pricing. And that's what Forge is delivering. So we're really excited about the announcement.
Blythe, talk about your view of the space and what the picture looks like, say, in 3 to 5 years.
Well, we're pretty excited about the story of Forge because it lies at the confluence of a number of mega trends that are driving value in the fintech space, whether it's electronification and digitization of markets and services, the development of tech-powered platform businesses that have powerful data offerings, the opening of architecture for wealth that's providing access to new asset classes, or the rapid growth of private capital markets themselves. All of these things are driving value, and Forge is positioned essentially to take advantage and to provide services in connection with all of that. So we think that the outlook for the company and the sector that it is in is really very strong.
Kelly, tell us a little bit about how you see Forge fitting into the competitive landscape. NASDAQ private markets spinning off. There are a number of different platforms that offer at least parts of what you do. What's your competitive advantage here?
Look, we think it's a big market. We think the combination of market-based pricing, which we've been providing for 8 years, and data is unique to the competitive set. We're planning on investing heavily in technology and really bringing this to a broader, efficient, and global market. Forge is already in 70 countries, and one of the things that makes us unique is our global expansion plan, and we're on track to deliver on that.
Now, Blythe, the company did acquire SharesPost already, and I'm wondering how much you see more consolidation in the future with all of these different players out there.
Well, I think there's certainly the potential for future consolidation. I don't think necessarily this is a space where there will ultimately one winner that takes all. If you look at other financial market infrastructures, there is a reasonable amount of competition in that space. What excites us, however, about Forge is they have achieved really very nice early mover advantage. The volumes that are transacting over their platform are market leading, and that's a great position from which to be now positioning the public with access to the company with access to public capital in order to grow and take advantage of those opportunities, both inorganic and organic.
And Kelly, given the run that we've seen in valuations in private companies lately, how volatile are your revenues potentially going to be? I mean, it used to be that unicorn meant unique, but now, as you mentioned, there's hundreds of them gallivanting all about.
Look, we think there's a long-term need for liquidity in this space. So whether a company's consistently going up and to the right, or the whole unicorn sector is going up and to the right, we'll benefit and will provide access to the market even during volatile times. And our offering includes more than just trading. We're a data business as well. In fact, we announced our data business today, and we believe that having access to what things price at are going to be what creates more liquidity in the market, and that's good for everybody.